After watching this video, you will know how to insert footnotes and endnotes in Word and how to change the style of these notes. Inserting a footnote is quite easy. We click into the text at the position where we want to insert the reference to the footnote. Then we go to the References tab and click on Insert Footnotes. As we can see, Word will automatically insert a line at the end of the page and also the number 1 since it is our first footnote. Here we can now write our referencing text. When we go back to the content, we can see that the referencing number is also inserted where we first placed our cursor. Of course, we can insert more footnotes on a single page. Word will simply make room for them at the end of the page. Inserting an endnote works the same way. We again click into the text where we want the reference to the endnote to be inserted. Then we click on Insert Endnote and Word will place the endnote directly under the text. Let's now look at how we can customize the layout and numbering of a footnote or endnote. For that, we right-click on a number of the footnotes at the end of the page. Then we select Note Options and a dialog window will open. Now we can customize a lot of stuff. We can, for example, set a column layout for the footnotes content so that the footnotes are arranged side by side rather than on top of each other. Then we can also change the number format and the starting number. And at the end we can choose if we, for example, want to restart the number counting after each page. So this is how to change the layout of the footnote area. The same of course works for the endnote area, but let's now look at how we can change the line style of the footnote. For that we first have to go to the View tab and then activate the Draft mode. Afterwards we go back to the References tab and click on Show Notes. Now we select if we want to analyze the footnotes or the endnotes. I will go with the footnotes here. Then an editing area will open and here we can select Footnote Separator from the drop-down menu. This separator can be edited in many different ways. When we highlight the separator, we can change its color, for example. We can also highlight it, copy it by pressing Ctrl and C and then paste it to make the line longer. Another possibility is to create a line style in the Home tab and then apply the bottom line. When we are done with editing the footnote separator, we simply go back to the print layout and the changes will be applied. So that's it. Now you know how to insert footnotes and endnotes and how to customize them. Watch the other videos to learn more about references in Word.